Beside means next to, while besides means in addition to. Number one, the cat sat blank the dog. This is about position. The cat is next to the dog, so the correct answer is beside. The whole sentence is the cat sat beside the dog. Easy, right? Number two, blank English. She speaks Spanish too. This adds extra information. She doesn't only speak English, she also speaks Spanish. That makes it besides. So the sentence is besides the English, she speaks Spanish too. Great job. Next up, number three. He stood blank me in class. That's about physical location. He's standing right next to me. So the word is beside. The sentence is he stood beside me in class. Now, number four. Do you like any sport? Blank football? Here we are asking about more options. That's extra information, so we use besides. The sentence is do you like any sport besides football? Nice and simple. Number five. I put my bag blank the chair. That's location again. The bag is next to the chair, so we use beside. The sentence is I put my bag beside the chair. Finally, number six. Blank his job, he studies at night. That's adding extra detail. He does more than just work. So the right word is besides. The sentence is besides his job, he studies at night. So far, you can see the pattern. Beside is for next to, and besides is for extra. In addition, now it's your turn. Try questions 7 through 12 on your own. When you are ready, check the answer key and see how you did. I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI, and I work hard to make these lessons for you. So please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.